Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to see about the workflow of the data science. That is how the work has been transferred stage by stage in the data science. So this presentation clearly explains about the workflow. So it is a structured approach which is used to convert the raw data into a useful business insights like informations. It also highlights how each stage from data capture to the communication. Also, it explains about the key role which is essentially successful for the data science projects. So let us now see about the 5 stages of the this data science. Like we have 5 essential stages like capture, clean, analyze, model and communicate. So the stage capture, they used to collect the data, collect the raw data. So in the clean stage, we will organize the data, that is maybe the raw data, or it can be called as a messy data. We have to prepare it in a proper form, or we have to organize it into a proper form. That is, the unstructured data has been transformed into a structured data. So in this clean stage, this process has been done. Next is the analyze stage. So in the analyze stage, we have to explore and understand the data. So the data, we may use various kinds of data in this project. So we have to first understand what are all the patterns which is existing among the data, and what are all the relationship which has been existed in the different patterns of the data. Next is the model. So model, we have to build the predictive algorithms. So predictive algorithms means the techniques or the algorithms which has been applied for this particular development model. And then finally, we are seeing about the communications, that is presenting the insights or informations effectively. So this each stage builds on the previous one, and it is very essential for the accuracy and usefulness of the results which has been produced. So next we are going to see the individual stages elaborately. So this capture stage focuses on the gathering data from multiple relevant sources such as corporate databases, social media, IoT devices, mobile applications, and also public threads, also public data sets. So this data may be structured. It may be an structured data, or it may be an unstructured data, or it may be a semi-structured data, which is the combination of the structured and unstructured data. So for example, so the retail companies which collects the sales, marketing, and also the data of a customer in order to forecast the future performance. Next is about the clean stage, where the raw data often contains errors, right? So it also has some missing values, duplicate data, inconsistent formats like outliers, etc., etc. So all these things should be avoided. So cleaning process has been done in this particular stage. So this cleaning ensures the data quality by correcting or removing the issues. So this step is time consuming but crucial, because the poor data leads to a poor insights. So next is the analyzing data. So here we explore the clean data using the descriptive statistics. So or we can use the visualizations and exploring or exploratory data analytics in order to cover the patterns. And this insights from this stage help us to understand what factors or influence outcomes and guide model development has been arised in this particular development model. Next is the model stage, where the machine learning models has been applied here, or it has been built in order to make the predictions or classify the new data. So we have different steps in this model, like splitting the data into training or testing, training the model actually, and evaluating the performance of the data, and fine tuning it for the improvement of this particular data. So specific and essential most common algorithms used in this model is regression, decision trees, neural networks, clustering, etc. So the evaluation matrices like accuracy, validation, etc., has been taken into account. And finally, we are speaking about the communication stage, where the insights must be communicated clearly in order to take the decisions, or in order to make the reports, dashboards, presentations, storytelling, etc. etc. So instead of the technical metrics alone, we have to deliver the practical businesses also, or business recommendations that driven actions. For example, showing the predictions lead to the increased revenue, etc. etc. So let us now see the workflow among different stages, right, starting from the capture till the communications. So like a full real world example, we can take it as an example like business goal. So here we have to reduce the customers churns. So in the capture stage, we have to focus on the transactions, behavior, engagements of the customers, etc. etc. So when we take it, go for the clean stage, we have to remove the duplicates. We have to formats the standardized data of the customers in a proper form and make this unstructured data or a semi-structured data into a structured data. So next is the analyze form. We have to identify the risk patterns, etc. And finally, the dashboard showing the risk customers, and this is used to integrate or solve the problems also. So this is the mastering workflow of this model, starting from the stage 1, that is capture, to the stage communication, that is the last stage. So hope this video is very useful to learn about the different stages that has been exist in the data sciences. Let us see about the different topic in my next video. Thank you.